Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add wishlist apps in Google Play Store on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Google Play Store, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And if you wanna add the application to your wish list, you just have to choose for the applications first. Maybe here for the example, I'm gonna open this KakaoTalk and I'm gonna add it for my wish list. To add it, you just have to tap on this three dots icon at the top right. Now tap on this add to wish list. You have to do the same way, I guess, to another applications. And to check it, you just have to go to this account icon at the top right, and after go to the library options. And this is for the wish list, I guess. This is for many application on my wish list. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.